Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I just started today's Wednesday 12th of October. For people who probably want to see what happened on the charts, I think they probably should close my trade or part of it there. Let me quickly do that, and let's see why I took that trade. Let's just close that out because I don't know what's going to happen there. So closing out a part of that. So as I was saying, if you have my system and you've been watching the videos that I've been posting on this channel, you definitely understand why I took that trade. I'm just moving my TP there. I'm basically risk free, so anything that happens from here going onwards, basically I really don't care. I do care a bit. I'm hoping that we can make some more money, but yeah, basically anything that happens from here going onwards, I'm not exactly worried about it because I've basically removed much of my position, as you saw. That's basically how you do it when you are managing these positions. What you want to do is take off some money off that trade. Don't just watch that trade continue and then turn against you, and basically you end up losing money back to the market. That's the mistake that many people do, because sometimes people are tempted to believe that it's going to go on and on and on. No, what you want to do is have an idea of where you are going to get out and how you are going to manage that trade. So you can see our perfect entry here. I managed to get in a perfect entry in this blue zone here. Let's just go to the 4-hourly because I took this trade on the 4-hourly. So that's where I placed my buy there. My obvious assumption, which turned out to be correct, is that we were going to come and touch this zone. That's the fundamental or the concept or the thesis of trading a zone to zone. That's what you basically want to do. You're just trying to catch price movement from an area, from a zone to another zone. Either you get out or you leave a small position like I'm doing there. That's basically very easy trading if you really think hard about it. These zones, you can find them on the daily, hourly, weekly, monthly. Basically you can find them everywhere. But on this trade I actually entered on the 4-hourly. So that's around about some 8 hours ago. If you are watching these candles, because this is 4-hourly, this is a 4-hourly, it's not exactly 4 hours ago, because we still have some almost 2 hours and 45 minutes are remaining in this candle. So yeah, we remain to see what will eventually happen, whether it's still going to continue going up or maybe it's going to then go down. So it's less than 8 hours to make that was it 170 or 180 euro that we just banked there, or sorry, dollars that we just banked there. Sorry, on my other account I actually have euro, and on this account is actually dollars. So sorry about the confusion. So that's basically it with trading zone to zone. What you want to do is try to catch these zones. Find your setups in this zone. Why did I enter here? We broke through here and we tested this area, then we went back and we kind of played around this area, and the moment I saw that we went back, tapped into this zone again and refused to go down, and we turned back. that's when I knew that it's probably time to enter a buy on GBPUSD. Of course, you can solve this simply by watching the dollar index. Watching the dollar index, it can definitely give you an idea of what you want to do. Then also, as you can see, the pairs that I'm watching, the same thing was sort of happening on the dollar. The dollar kind of was trickling down, so it's a good opportunity to buy when the dollar is not going up. But dollar index, I don't know what happened to my dollar index in this scenario. Dollar index is certainly a good way to do this, but you can see here on this is AUD USD. This will be a good opportunity to want to buy, because see, we have just been testing this zone, but I'm not saying go ahead and buy just now. You want to be careful. It's your money, and if you ask me, I don't want to just risk my money for nothing. So one thing I love about GBPUSD also is its ability to just move. Sometimes you find that Euro USD is just stagnant like this, but GBPUSD will be printing money. So that's the gist of this strategy. You get an opportunity like this, certainly they are going to come and test this zone. If not the end of the zone, they will test this middle area. They will certainly test this middle area. This system that I'm showing you, you can download it for free. There's a video on this channel. Just look for that video. You can download it for free and test it for yourself. So basically, as you can see, I don't know if you can say that this is random. I don't know if you are going to say that this is random, that they actually do this. They actually do this. Between these zones, I actually have about 100 pips that you can expect to make. So that's around about 100 pips. So between each zone, from zone to zone, is 100 pips, and the middle then is basically 50 pips. So it's a good way to like collect easy pips if you do catch a good move. So yeah, that's basically how it turned out on this particular trade. If you want me to explain more, if you have any questions regarding trading zone to zone, psychological levels and stuff, because that's basically what I'm doing, leave them in the comment section below. See, we want to, it seems like price wants to turn against us now that we touch this zone. Seems like it wants to turn against us, but in any case, we closed out part of that position, so I'm not really worried about what they are going to think or what they are going to do. Of course, what you want to do when you are doing this, you want to always be careful. Always be careful with your lot sizing, your risk management, manage your trades. And you saw I used 0.20. Why do I use 0.20? Because basically with these moves you can actually risk less and expect to gain more. That's the idea. So, and unlike for scalpers, let's say maybe let's go to the 5 minute. Maybe a scalper would enter here and try to catch maybe 10 pips. So when they enter their trade, they will probably enter it with maybe 10 standard lots, because they're just aiming for a small movement. That's what they want to do. They're just aiming for a very small movement. But for me, I can enter with like a small positions, because I am aiming to catch a big move. So on my part, I'm risking less and hoping to gain a whole lot more. And for the scalpers, they are risking more, and they just want a little piece of the movement, and then they are fine. It's all good. Everyone, as long as you are making money, there's no right or wrong in the markets. As long as you are making money, trust me, there is no right or wrong as long as you are making money. But if you are losing money, then that's when you have a problem. So yeah, if you have any problems, if you have any questions, if you have any questions regarding trading zone to zone, maybe leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Otherwise, guys, subscribe. See the links in the description box below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.